Tara, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano ang process ng vehicle inspection dito sa Amerika. Follow the arrow or the signage. Then you have to stop and then get your ticket. You will need this or they will look for it once you arrive inside the vehicle inspection. Ganito kahaba yung line nung dumating ako. Siguro depende kung anong oras ka pupunta or nagkataon lang na marami talaga akong kasabayan. In New Jersey, you may bring your car 2 months advance before it will expire. And also, this is the ticket looks like, the front and the back. Also, before I go here, I check the official website to review what are the documents I need to bring. Don't forget that you have your driver's license, vehicle registration, and your insurance vehicle. I won't be able to show you the inside of the facility